Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NABS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am here to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 2.2, question 14. This is a creative question. I have written this question in the board. The students, see the question at first. This is our stream for the question. Shipra Borua deposited taka 3000 in a bank and got taka 3600 together with the profit after 2 years. Our first question A. Find the percentage of simple profit. Question B. What will be the profit principal after another 3 years? Question C. What would be the compound principal after 2 years if taka 3000 was deposited at the same percentage of compound profit? Dear students, at first we have to understand the stream, which information given in the stream. At first we have to understand that. Okay, now see what is given in the stream. Shipra Borua deposited taka 3000. It means that the money invested or deposited is known as principal. It means that taka 3000 is our principal in a bank and got taka 3600 together with the profit after 2 years. It means that 3600 is the profit principal after 2 years. 3600 is the profit principal after 2 years. Okay, dear students, we need to solve the first question now. Find the percentage of simple profit. We need to find the percentage of simple profit. Dear students, you know the formula of determining percentage or rate of simple profit. Dear students, before writing the formula, at first we have to write the given information. What is given information here? Given principal P equal to taka 3000. Profit principal after 2 years is taka 3600. So we can write time n equal to 2 years and profit of 2 years I equal to, we need to subtract the principal from the profit principal. Our principal is 3000 and profit principal after 2 years is 3600. That is 600 taka we will get if we subtract 3000 from 3600. This is our profit of 2 years. So time n equal to 2 years and principal P is taka 3000. So we can determine the rate of profit. We know before this we can write let rate of profit is R%. We know I equal to PR N. We need to find the rate. So we have to take R equal to I by Pn. Now put the value of I. The value of I is taka 600, P is taka 3000 and N is time 2 years. Now you can calculate here. Now at first we can divide 600 by 2. This will be 300. Now we can divide 300, 3000. We will get 10 here, 1 here. So we will get 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 1 into 10 divided by 10 into 10. It means that 10 by 100. It means that 10%. So we can say the percentage of simple profit is 10. So required rate is 10%. Therefore, the required rate is 10%. So our answer for question A is 10%. Dear students, I hope you have understood our first question, question A. Then we will go to the next question. What will be the profit principal after another 3 years? It means that here profit principal of 2 years is 3600, and after these 2 years we need to find the profit of 3 years. It means that we need to find the total profit of 5 years. If we can find only the profit of 3 years, then add the profit of 3 years with the profit principal after 2 years. We will get our required profit principal. The students, in this case you have to remember that if it is not mentioned here, the profit is simple profit or compound profit. If it is not mentioned, in that case you must find or you must consider this is simple profit. So we need to find the profit of 3 years, simple profit of 3 years. Okay, dear students, now I'll start question B. Question B. Principal P equal to taka 3000 time N equal to 3 years from A we get rate of profit R equal to 10%, means 10 by 100. It means 1 by 10. The students, now if we can find the profit of 3 years and then if we add this profit of 3 years with the profit principal after 2 years, we will get our required profit principal. So we can write here, let, or we can write profit of 3 years P equal PRN. Now put the value of P. P means taka 3000, R means 1 by 10, n means 3. So we can calculate here. We can divide this by 10. If we divide, we will get 300. Now if we multiply 300 and 3, it will be 900. Taka 900 is our profit of 3 years. It means this is the profit of 3 years after 2 years. So we can write here after 2 years profit principal is taka 3600. This is given in our stream. So now if we add this profit with this profit principal, we will get the required profit principal. Therefore the required profit principal taka 3600 plus 900. If we add, we will get 0 0 9 6 15 5 1 left 4. It means that our required profit principal is taka 4500. This is our answer of question B. The students, I hope you have understood this question. Now I'll go to another question, but you can solve question B in another method. You can find the profit of 3 years in another way, or you can consider 5 years, then you can find out the profit of 5 years, and that profit, if you add with the principal, you will get the required profit principal. Okay dear students, you can follow any method. Okay, now I'll go to question C. What is our question C? The students, question C is, what would be the compound principal after 2 years if taka 3000 was deposited at the same percentage of compound profit? The students, notice that in this question C, it is mentioned here compound profit. Compound profit is mentioned here, so we have to use the formula of compound profit. Use the formula of compound profit. So we can write the given information here. Taka 3000 is our principal. We can write question C. Principal P equal to taka 3000 time n equal to 2 years. Now we have to use the rate of profit from question A. From A we get the rate of profit R equal to 10%, means 10 by 100, it means 1 by 10. Dear students, we need to find the compound principal. So we have to write the formula of compound principal now. We know compound principal C equal to P into 1 plus R whole to the power n. Now we know the value of P means principal, R means rate of profit, and n means time. All the values are given here, so we can put the value. Now P is taka 3000, 1 plus R is 1 by 10, and N is time 2 years. So we can calculate this now. 3000. Now we can write here 10 plus 1 by 10 whole square. It means that taka 3000 multiplied by 11 by 10 whole square. It means that taka 3000 multiplied by 11 by 10 and 11 by 10, as whole square is given, so we have to multiply 11 by 10 two times. Now if we calculate here, at first divide by 10, you will get 300, and then divide by 10, you will get 30. So now multiply 30, 11 and 11. You will get taka 3630. 3630. This is simple multiplication. If you multiply 11 and 11, you will get 121. Then multiply 121 by 3, 30. You will get, at first multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. Then put this 0 here. So 3630 is our required product. So dear students, this is our compound principle. It means that the required compound principle is the required compound principle is taka 3630. So our answer for the question C is taka 3630. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Do this question as your homework. This is your homework number 11. Do this question as your homework and submit your homework on next Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. Homework is very important for annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks, SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.